Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again with another foundation Friday. So if you want to see what foundation, BB cream, CC cream, tinted moisturizer that I tested today, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life.
Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. Dude, my neck is like killing me. So we're gonna talk about the new YSL Skin Makeup Hybrid Bare Look Tint. Oof. Me and them tints. So let's take a look. So it says shades. So 20 shades. And this is, what is the price? Can't see the price. We'll go back to that. And it says keywords: hyaluronic acid, hydrating skin tint, light to medium buildable coverage, natural radiance finish, benefit hydrating, glowing, dewy, lightweight, and type. It's a skin tint. What it is, it's a lightweight skin tint with hyaluronic acid, delivers buildable light to medium coverage for a fresh, dewy makeup look. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. I'm trying to find the price. I got this at Sephora, so it's $44. It is $44, so that's a little steep. I need a little. So usually I put my how you call that, my primer first, but today I forgot, so it's fine. It is fine. This is $49. Like, that is not a lot. It's a good match. And what shade is this? New 15. Yep, shade 15. I think it's like the shades are like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm shade 15. It does have a smell. So pretty much after my shade, there's 5 shades like dark. I don't know about that, but we'll see if I like it. I'm actually like planning a trip and I'm going to the Caribbean. I am all about it's gonna be like lightweight, you know, something just amazing for my vacation that doesn't look like super full coverage, but still, you know. Man, I am so proud of myself. I know, I'm tooting my own horn. So I actually ordered this online. And the reason why I say I'm so proud of myself, when I order stuff online, like foundations and stuff, the shade matte is terrible. I feel like this might be a little dark, but you know what? As soon as I get home, which is the Caribbean, that's home to me. It's like 2 seconds and then I'm already tan, so this will work out to be perfect. Perfect. She's cute. I like this. This might be a back home contender right here. Let me put it right here. So this one, I think it's medium covered. Yeah, because I do have some stuff here and then, you know, it's covered, so we'll give them medium coverage. And then I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty concealer. Don't put it on. Man, if I leave my face like this, I look terrible. Terrible. Let's get a bronzer. Let's try this OPV. It is shade 1. So I'm using like this. Okay, so this is how everything is laid on the foundation. Actually, is leaning to like this foundation is gonna be a gem, but you know what? We're gonna go out, give it the test, give it the run. I'm gonna do two check-ins, and I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get.
Hi guys, so I am doing my first check-in. Look at this though, this is so pretty. But yeah, my face still looks pretty matte. Nothing crazy is happening. I don't know, I think I'm a part of a town where there's like a little Christmas village situation, so this might be long. But yeah, so by now I've been wearing this foundation for about 4 hours maybe. Yeah, about 4 hours. So, but I've been inside for most of the time, so I don't see anything crazy happening just yet. But I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna keep wearing this foundation. I know this foundation is pretty pricey, so $44. So, but yeah, we're gonna keep wearing it. I'll give you guys one more check-in, and at the end of the night, I will give you my final thoughts on how I feel about this foundation. So see you guys later.
I have to admit, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. The reason doesn't mean it keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning. World keeps on spinning, but without me. But without me, oh, it keeps feeling like I stay blind to something that everybody else seems to see. Everybody but me, oh, it keeps feeling like I can feel it. I'll tell myself that I'm better off being free. Yeah. But really, I'm just afraid that you listen trade. Do with the fear.
Hi guys, so I am doing my second check-in. Just had dinner enough, so the usual lips are gone. But I don't know, I feel like my foundation still looks really good. I don't have any real separation. My face still looks pretty matte. I'm not sure if that's partially my setting spray, which could be, you know, could help, but it's also kind of chilly, so it's not super humid, which could, you know, help the foundation stay or last even longer. But I don't know, I think I like this foundation. I like how light it is, and that's the coverage is pretty good. It's like light to medium, more on the medium side, so it's a good everyday during the day kind of foundation, even if you're somewhere that's kind of hot. So yeah, but we'll see. I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
Why I keep coming back back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really about it opening up. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worry that it won't be enough.
Hi guys, we're back, and let's talk about this foundation. So let's talk about Miss New from YSL. Let's take a mirror. So my face looks pretty matte, right? Like I've been wearing this foundation since around 5 o'clock. It's 10:30, so 5.5 hours. I have not blotted anything. So how I left here, that's how I've been all day. Like for the last 5.5, 6 hours. So yeah, like just everything is looking really good. Like this foundation was supposed to be kind of dewy, but I did set with powder, and I used this setting spray. I don't know, this setting spray I think has been like really good. But yeah, I know I'm missing some foundation by my mouth, but I'm not gonna hold it against the foundation I was eating, and then I, dabbed there, so that's kind of why. And then at the tip of my nose has some shine, but that is my highlighter. See, like here and then here. For most of it is gone here. But apart from that, like my face feels nice and matte and cool, and I don't have like I don't have a lot of like anything really bad to say about this foundation. Like I think it's a really, 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 really good like during the day, everyday kind of foundation. I know it's $44, so it might be like every day, night and day. But I would wear this foundation mostly in the day, because especially in Texas, it's so humid and stuff like that. So because that foundation is like just, even if this says dewy, I still think it's some kind of like matte, maybe a semi-matte, but it's so light. That foundation is so light. Like it's just like it's there, but it's not there. Like it's just, you can't even feel it there. I'm about to go on a trip to the Caribbean, and I can assure you that one will be getting packed. Just how light it feels. And back home is very humid and just like thick and crazy. So yeah, if that will be one of the foundations, because I've been testing out foundations and trying to figure out which ones I'm gonna take with me and which ones I'm not gonna take with me. I'm mostly gonna take maybe a couple skin tints on that foundation, because that foundation I can use like literally for my whole trip. And maybe not even a couple, maybe that and one other foundation. But this is just so nice and so amazing. Like I love it. Like I might take my whole slabs maybe, but this for sure is gonna go with me. So the final question of the day, do I recommend this foundation? 100% yes. I know it's only 20 shades, but it's kind of like a, I don't know, it's they say it's a tint, but I feel like this is a foundation. Like the coverage that I got, because I have some powder areas here, and then no, this is definitely a foundation, and you need this in your collection. That's how I feel about this. So yeah, do I recommend this foundation? 100% yes. Get it if you can afford it, because I know it's $44. So that's it guys for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. The reason doesn't mean it keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning.